Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks on how to style your client's hair after the new perm service. Today I will show you that with curls, a whole new world of styling options has opened up for your client. I will be using a diffuser to get natural looking bundled curls without frizz. Dualsenses and StyleSign are the perfect companions to create the most wonderful curls that you and your client can imagine. Prep the hair with products from a Dualsenses range that work best for your client's hair needs. After shampoo and care, only squeeze and avoid rubbing the hair. When working with curls, it's important to apply the chosen styling product while the hair is still damp. If the client's hair got dry, spray the hair with water. Use fingers or a white tooth comb to detangle the hair. Today, I will be using StyleSign Lightweight Fluid for instant definition for softly bundled, natural-looking curls. To distribute the chosen product in the hair, apply it first either into the palms of your hands or spray it onto the hair. Then scrunch the hair before using a diffuser to create bundled curls. Set the Veris AirQ hairdryer on the lowest heat and airflow setting. Do not touch the hair while drying. Tilt client's head forward or let it rest on the back of the chair. Work in large sections. Let each section rest in the diffuser for up to 2 minutes while running warm air through the hair. Work systematically through all sections on the head. To avoid frizz and achieve tight and bouncy curls, dry hair with a diffuser up to 90% dry, then let it air dry. Apply a small amount of the StyleSign Air Dry BB Cream to finalize the look. Recommend suitable Goldwell, Dualsenses and StyleSign products for usage at home to help maintain your client's new curls in the best shape. I hope you are as excited about our new Texture Dimensions PERM as I am. Want to see or learn more about Texture Dimensions PERM? Check out our other videos on Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or visit the Goldwell Education Plus app. See you there!